Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of January 2025, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.2. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of 8.87%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.96% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 23.76% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 27.70% to a decrease of 12.65%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a likely change of around 21.47% over the next year, with potential returns varying between a drop of 32.43% and an increase of 16.13%. This would result in a price range between $78.41 and $134.76 after a year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Advanced Micro Devices. The stock price of Advanced Micro Devices decreased by 4.76% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 10th of January, 2025. It declined from $121.84 to $116.04. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.72%, with a low of $114.45 and a high of $118.71. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.12%. The trading volume increased on the last day by 14 million shares, despite the decline in prices. This could serve as an early warning signal, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 59 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $6.810 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $227.30, while the lowest was $114.45. Currently, the price sits at 48.95%, or $111.26, below the 52-week high of $227.30, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is currently experiencing notable downward pressure, with shares declining by 5.5%. This drop follows a downgrade from Goldman Sachs, which has changed its rating from buy to neutral and significantly lowered the price target from $175 to $129. This adjustment reflects a tough environment for AMD, especially as it faces challenges against its peers in the semiconductor sector, which have reported more favorable growth statistics. In sharp contrast, TSMC, a key player in the industry, has announced a substantial revenue increase of 58% year over year, indicating a positive trend in the AI sector despite AMD's difficulties. Jim Cramer is also keeping a close eye on AMD, suggesting that the stock remains of interest for potential investors seeking opportunities in the technology space. The downgrade and overall market sentiment might affect AMD's stock price in both the short and long term. In the immediate future, investor confidence could diminish, resulting in heightened volatility and a possible further drop in stock price as market participants reevaluate their positions. Over the long run, AMD will need to effectively navigate these challenges, potentially by innovating within the competitive AI market to restore trust and drive a recovery in its stock performance. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned AMD a reduced grade along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a positive grade along with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned AMD a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities also assigned AMD a buy grade along with a hold action. On that same day, Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, Deutsche Bank assigned AMD a hold grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. Advanced Micro Devices is currently experiencing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $123.08 and $130.16. A breakout above any of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 10.43%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot has been established. Notably, volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a sell signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 55 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 44 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Advanced Micro Devices. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions align unfavorably, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.26 between its high and low points, translating to a change of 3.72%. In the past week, the stock registered an average daily volatility of 3.58%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.07. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $119.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of December, 2024, Carter Phillip Matthew conducted an insider purchase of 8,094 shares of RSU Award. On the same day, Carter Phillip Matthew also conducted an insider purchase of 2,648 shares of PRSU Award. On the 4th of December, 2024, Sulisa T purchased 76,496 shares of common stock. On that same day, Sulisa T sold 28,218 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 4th of December, 2024, Sulisa T sold 30,299 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 0.416. Overall, insiders purchased 2,148,584 shares and sold 2,128,370 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices shows several negative indicators and is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 13th of January, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open at 360 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $116.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.